Hi everyone, we're thrilled to introduce you to Green Pulse, a smarter way for companies and individuals to track, reduce, and get rewarded for their carbon footprint. So, here's the problem we're trying to solve. Most companies and even most people don't realize how much their everyday activities silently damage the environment. Even when they try, tracking emissions is confusing, time consuming, and boring. So that's why we built this application. We provide detailed tracking, smart suggestions, reward systems, insights, and much more. And so how does this work? So once you sign up with us with an account, we track your daily activities across various categories to calculate your carbon footprint. And we also provide solutions, suggestions, and rewards for your progress. uh, to build this system, we've used Fetch AI's UAgent framework, and yeah, this is how we log in as a user. This is what the user sees. It's a dashboard. It contains the carbon footprint trend. It contains category wise breakdown. For example, this is food, this is transportation, and this is the carbon footprint summary. So we are using total 5 U agents here. The first U agent is the data center agent, which captures the data from different sources and different sources like smartphones, smartwatches, IoT devices, etc., and sends it to data collector agent. The data collector agent stores all the received data from sender agent in a MongoDB atlas after calculating the individual emission. And the third agent is a carbon agent, which is actually an LLM. It's ASI1 mini LLM from Fetch AI. So here it can take prompts like tell me how I can reduce my carbon footprint. So this will give us an output in natural language. We can also log in activity using this LLM. For example, I ate a burger today. So this will tell you how much emission you made and what is your reward for that, also your streak. Yeah, so this is how you see the response. This is how our carbon agent works. There's also notification agent which sends out notifications, and based on these emissions, user earns points, and also as the points accumulate, users can earn badges and extra perks, like gift cards based on their achievements from their companies. And for the companies, here's the best part: companies have their own logins. So this is the company dashboard. We can see the total number of employees, the total emission of the company this particular month, the company ranking, the top performance, the leaderboard, the footprint. There's also leaderboard here with different companies, so we can see and compare the emissions. There's also category wise breakdown. We've also provided LLM for the companies as well. So yeah, top performing companies can qualify for perks like government tax assumptions or green certificates based on their impact. So yeah, this is Green Pulse, which is a decentralized application made using Fetch AI's U agents and ASI1 LLM. To wrap it up, we want everyone to make every step matter. So this is our solution for that. Thank you.